Okay, so hi guys, very beautiful good morning to you all. So starting off today's vlog in bed, it's actually quite very early today morning. I'm supposed to be going to school. I have some discussions that I have to be attending. That's why actually even I have woken up this early. It's around 7 a.m. in the morning. Since I finished word attachments, I had stopped getting up early in the morning because for word attachments, you have to wake up at very early so that you can be able to, get on time, to find report handover. That will be another thing, maybe explain to you guys, maybe in another vlog. But before we dive into the vlog, thank you very much for clicking on to today's vlog. It blasts my heart to know that you guys are watching these vlogs. And if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, Tanya ni Shylock over here. Don't forget to subscribe before you click off the video. And yeah, so let's start today's beautiful vlog. So you guys, quickly I want to show you what I'm wearing for the day. I'm wearing this amazing Versace t-shirt going on over here. On top I have this amazing jacket that one of my subscribers gave me money, of course, to purchase. And down I'm just having this pair of sweatpants. This is actually one of my favorite pair of sweatpants currently. I bought this from Pentagon Building. If you're a very long honey of mine, actually, you know this, and down I'm just wearing my new moccasins. I am done with almost everything, like everything I had to do, to prepare myself for school and all that. So I think I'm going to be using a boda because my discussions are supposed to be starting at 8. We start at 8 a.m. in the morning, then we end at around 3 p.m. in the evening. So I think I'm already against time. So what I'm going to be doing, because checking the time, it is 7:59. My God, it is only a boda that is going to save my life, So I'm going to be boarding that and real quick reach.
Giving me wind and rain. street, your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Okay, so hello guys, finally back from the barber shop. It's a new place that I'm trying out here around my new region. I really love this very absolutely much. I would not travel back to my old barber because of certain reasons, but I think this one in particular, he's going to be doing it for me very well. I love the way how he has snatched the edge, snatch the edge without even actually increasing on the length of my forehead. Okay, so good evening guys, how are you all? So actually I want to do a quick haul of some perfumes that I did get over here. I got 4 of them. These are some of my new absolute favorites, and I want to just share in case anyone out there of course might be interested. So I got for myself the Blue Rush. This is how it does look going on over here. Very amazing, very fruity, but with very high notes of flowers, very, very fruity, but with some notes of flowers, and these notes are very, 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 very absolutely high. But the good thing that it doesn't give you a low-key migraine headache, you know. It smells so absolutely beautiful. So the next one that I did pick up the tropical breeze. This is actually how it does look going on over here. If you have seen my perfume collection and my body mist collection, the video, I'm gonna be leaving it in my description box below. You know by now that I'm a boy who loves fruity perfumes. So as you see this, the main ingredient is watermelons. They smell like heaven. I think this is one perfume that reminds me of Bora Bora. If you have ever used Bora Bora from Estiera Passion, let me know. Sound off in the comment section below. So the next one, I did pick up the Beloved Cherry. This is how the Beloved Cherry does look like. When I went to buy them, actually, this was the first perfume that I ever picked out. Before actually even I did see the Blue Rush and the Tropical. This is the first one I picked out. Soft and a little bit spicy, not so spicy, but just amazing, just amazing. If you have ever used this perfume known as Tom Ford Black Orchid, that is the vibe absolutely you get with this. Coming to the last body mist that I did pick up, this is a completely Frollo body mist. This is the Serion Dream Lava going on over here. This is how it does look. So beautiful, beautiful and amazing. When you just sniff it for the first time, you can think that you are in a garden of roses.